Welcome to the Eastern Center for Arts and Technology. My name is Amy Shields. I am the Marketing and Recruitment Coordinator for the school, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our manufacturing career cluster. Come with me, we're going to check out robotics and automated technology first. Welcome to Robotics and Automated Technology, Eastern's newest program. At this time, I'd like to introduce you to our instructor, Mr. Passante.
Hi, my name is Mr. Passante. In this course, we're going to be learning about robotics, engineering, fabricating electrical systems, and automated technology, machines that make things.
Some of the equipment that you will work on should you choose this program: we do have a 3D printer, we have an AC/DC electrical systems board, an applied electrical control systems board. Over here we have the pneumatic instrumentation module, and here we have a FANUC robotic arm that students will learn how to program and troubleshoot. In the robotics industry, this is what professionals call a pick and place. So you can program this to pick something up and place it where you need it to be. This is useful in many manufacturing careers. Students from the Robotics and Automated Technology program go on to post-secondary robotics and engineering programs, but they've also entered right into the work field in entry-level manufacturing positions. Robotics and automated technology is a field that is being used as a critical component in other fields, such as healthcare, construction, automotive, and more.
So in this course, you'll learn the basics of fluid power. That can be compressed air, or it can be even compressed liquids such as hydraulics. And you'll learn to interpret schematic diagrams. You'll learn the basics of pressure and flow. You'll learn how to make connections on a hydraulic system like that. Hey, thanks for stopping by.
Okay, let's head down to welding technology. Welcome to welding technology. In this program, you learn the different types of welding, as well as plasma cutting. Safety is of the utmost importance in this program. So part of the program uniform is fire protection welding gear, such as jackets, helmets, eye protection, and steel-toed boots. Career fields you can enter into: welder, combination welder, MIG welder, gas and oxy-fuel cutting. These are all really high-paying fields that are currently in demand. Some of the industry standard certifications that you can receive through this program are the Occupational Safety and Health Administration certification that you need to work on any job site, and the American Welding Society Structural Steel certification.
Hi, my name is Megan Shakino. This is the Welding Technology program. It's a 2-year program. Right off the bat, my first-year students get thrown into hands-on training for a highly skilled trade. Halfway through their second year, their senior year, there's an opportunity to go out on co-op, which is a paid internship. Many of my students graduate already having a welding job in place. So if you want to kickstart your welding career, this is the place to do it.
Okay, let's head down to automotive technology. Welcome to automotive technology. Take a look around the program. As you can see, they work on engines, they work on electrical systems, and they work on all sorts of vehicles. And now I'd like to introduce you to our automotive technology instructor, George Stahl.
Hi everybody, welcome to automotive class. We have lots of things to do here in the shop. We work on all sorts of cars, trucks. We have students that have gone through the program here are actually on race car teams, work at dealerships, small garages. Some have even started their own shops. So if you're interested in cars, come on over to Automotive Technology. We'll teach you lots of stuff.
Okay, let's head on down to collision repair technology. So if you like to work on the body of cars, if your interest is in painting, you may want to consider this program. We do have our own paint mixing booth. We were one of the first schools in Pennsylvania to move to water-based paint because it's better for the environment. Students do get to work with their own paint booth. Oftentimes you'll see them working on vehicles inside the paint booth, if you can see the grates in the floor. This sucks out the particles in the air that gives the paint job a nice, clean, smooth finish. Over here, this is an industrial frame straightener. So if you do get in a car accident, and your car maybe is pulling to the left or the right, this is exactly what is used in an auto body shop to repair that issue. And now I'd like to introduce you to our collision repair technology instructor, Mr. Park.
Hello, I'm Mr. Park. I've been teaching here for 19 years. If you are looking at an industry that can be satisfying for you and enjoy it every day, you are going to get your hands dirty. It is smelly in this shop, but you take something that's all beat up and terrible looking, cuts and tears and rips in it, and I can just show you some of the students' work here. We have a fender up on the wall, which is a black and silver one, which this was a junior that started here last year, and he's a senior this year. I took that fender and put a lot of dents in it, and he made it look just like that now. He did all the priming and all the sanding. The one above it is one of the girls in my class. She did that, and right now she is a painter in a body shop. Right now she is a senior, and she has done real well, and she's very artistic. This is a shield we did a couple years ago. Students did this. This is for a chapter display. Maybe about 5 years ago. They did this made out of aluminum. They cut it all out, working with the commercial art kids too, in laying out the design for the stripes and the stars. And here we only have 2 panels up right here. This is a Saturn car the parts are made out of plastic. So my students they each had their own panel. They both have graduated. Obviously one was from Upper Moreland and one was a big Flyers fan. They took those panels and straightened them out, painted them, put their decals on it with the help of Miss Pennical, who is our assistant teacher here. Works with the kids. She is very artistic, so you can see that's not my job, that's her job. And she did a real nice job helping these students lay out their panels. And I hope you guys can come here and enjoy it and have some fun and learn something and make a real good living out of this.
Thank you for visiting Collision Repair Technology, and thank you for participating in our Manufacturing Career Cluster Tour. Have a great day.